If you don't have any special plant making milk equipment, or if you're just out of time and out of plant milk, just watch this video and I will share with you my favorite way of making quick plant milks. First milk we're going to make is almond milk, but we don't need to soak almonds and we don't need to use any cheesecloth in order to filter this almond pulp, because we won't have any almond pulp left over. Yes, here's what we're gonna use today to make our almond milk. We're gonna use raw almond butter. It's very easy, just water and butter. So I added 2 cups of water. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add a 1/4 cup of almond butter. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of maple syrup and a tiny bit of cinnamon. You don't have to add those 2 last ingredients, but I think it gives an extra nice taste to it. Okay, that's it. Now all we have to do is just go ahead and blend this up. Let's take a look. Nice. Look at that. Let's give it a try. Wow, look at this. You don't need any straining, you don't need to use any cheesecloth or anything like that. You have your almond milk ready in just less than a minute. All right, let's give it a try. It's nice and creamy, and it's gonna go really well with my hot drink. I like to drink this chicory. I don't drink coffee, and this could be like a creamer. It's gonna be really, really delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer this to my glass container, and I'm gonna store this in the fridge. It's good in the fridge for up to 5 days, guys. So you can prep ahead, and then you can just drink it throughout the week, or you can make some chia seed puddings or add it to your coffee if you drink coffee. But better not to drink coffee. Like I said, I drink chicory. If you're still drinking coffee, I have a couple of videos I can link down below, so you can check it out why it's better to avoid drinking coffee. Anyway, so this video is about milks, and I'm gonna go ahead and make another milk right now. We are going to make a hemp milk. It's really easy to make, and you don't need to strain this milk either. All you need to use is this hemp hearts. I buy this at Costco. Measure 1/2 cup of hemp hearts, and I'm gonna add 3 to 4 cups of water. I'm gonna go ahead and add 3 cups, and I'm gonna show you the consistency with 3 cups, because it's gonna be a little bit creamier if you add less water. I'm also gonna add a tiny bit of maple syrup as well. Now let's go ahead and blend this. All right, let's take a look. This looks very creamy. Let's give it a taste test. Really yummy, very delicious. When it's creamy like this, you can also add it to your drinks. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make 2 more drinks out of this milk. I need to add 1 more cup of water. I'm gonna blend this up, then I'm gonna divide it into 2 milks, and we're gonna make 2 different flavors. So the next milk I'm going to make is chocolate milk. I'm just gonna go ahead and add cacao powder, 1.5 tablespoons, and we're gonna give it a quick blend. Look at this, guys. This is nice little chocolate milk. I don't know if you could see, but it's very smooth, and you don't taste any pieces or anything like this. And you see, we didn't have to strain it. That's amazing, guys. Delicious. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my glass jar. And this can also be stored in the fridge for up to 5 days, but usually it doesn't last that long. My youngest son really loves this drink, so I'm gonna be happy I have this for him after he comes back from school. I'm gonna take this milk that we made earlier, and now we're gonna make a different flavor. I'm gonna go ahead and make this blueberry milk. I have this frozen wild blueberries. They are so delicious in smoothies or milks like this. So I'm just gonna add a 1/2 cup of these frozen berries, a little bit of maple syrup, just gonna blend it up. Now let's look at this color, guys. Ready? I don't know if you could see. Can you see how purple this is? Wow. Beautiful. It tastes really nice. Delicious, guys. I really hope you're gonna try. Now all that's left to do is just transfer to your glass jar, and this will be good also for 5 days in the fridge, but try to consume it within a couple of days or 3 days. Obviously it's better when it's fresh, especially when you make a blueberry drink. It oxidizes faster, so try to drink this first and then the rest of them. And when you take it out from the fridge and you're ready to drink, just make sure to shake it, because you see, we don't add anything crazy to this drink, so it kind of separates. Shake it a little bit. Hopefully you have a better glass jar. this one is leaking. Oh, so here we have our drinks. We have the almond milk, we have the blueberry milk, and we have the chocolate milk. But you don't have to make these flavors. Like I said, you can just make hemp milk. And when you want to make a special flavor, just mix it up with that hemp milk and you're ready to go. These milks taste really yummy and they don't have any bad ingredients. So I hope you guys gonna try it. That's it, guys. I really hope you try these recipes and let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. And if you like this video, then click the video on the screen that I think you might like next, and I'll see you there. So just make sure to and I splattered everything. Okay.